Hello, it's Martin again from New Leaf International. A very short little video lecturette, and I'm talking about linking the sense of urgency with a change program where we're trying to encourage people to basically do things differently. So I've got two drawings here, and they represent posts in the ground and washing line between the posts. And the sense of urgency message here, in essence, is that if you've got a big change event and then a considerable gap between the next event, then the washing line represents people's energy, understanding and enthusiasm for the changes that we're trying to encourage. And what we've got here is too much business as usual in between these special events. I see this a lot. So companies will have a workshop, they go off site, they go have some nice biscuits in a hotel, a nice lunch, launch a lot of work, and then there's questionably too much time before something else happens in the business to bring people's attention back to where we want them to be with the transformational change. So this image of the posts in the ground I find very helpful, and what I think is important is instead of having big events, and you may want one to launch something, but instead of having big events with a considerable gap, there's lots of small things every week, something for an hour, something for 45 minutes, reminders in daily meetings that you may have, huddles or whatever, problem solving. Don't go 2 months before the next event, go a couple of days, review that, collect a bit of data, do some of the things. And the point is that back to normal, if we're asking people to do things differently and behave differently, the gaps between the events is so frequent that we don't have time to just go back to normal. And this is important because when we're trying to encourage people to do things differently, if we have too much normal, old world in between things, people will get confused and behaviours will just slip back to the old ways. So it's a simple message here. Have lots of small events frequently and keep people's attention to new systems, new ways of working, new behaviours, and that leads to better results. Thank you.